clustering means finding elements with similar behavior. So we do clustering in terms of when we talk about customer segmentation. What is customer segmentation? Which group of people have similar behavior? In businesses, in retails, we might find that there are a set of people who want to come and spend in your business, but they only spend when there are discounts. There are a set of people who are spending in your business, but they are only coming for the unique products of your business, right? Or there may be some set of people who are buying irrespective of what it is. Like generally they like the brand and they're coming and spending in there. Or some people might be doing because of the price point. So for depending on who is my customer, what kind of behavior they have, everybody will come up with a different strategy. Marketing will be done differently. For example, people who fall in this bracket who are attracted by the discounts, they will be the ones to whom messages, emails, everything will go, okay, there is a discount. There is a new discount now. People who are going for the unique products will be given emails and the messages regarding the new product line that is coming up because that's what attracts them. So how do we find such things? We find through clustering. Similarly, in this example where I put subcategory, I am seeing the behavior of sales and profit. Now, if I have to understand what is going on, I would do a clustering first and then analyze these things further for my analysis. Okay, this is high sales, high profit products. In high sales, high profit subcategories, what are my top products? What are the brands working, which is the ones that are not working, and so on and so forth. So that's why clustering becomes important. So how do you cluster? We are going to cluster through analytics. And over here, you will see clusters. Clusters would only work on your scatter plots. If you don't have scatter plots, we can't create clusters. And once we drop over here, it is telling it the variable it's using for clustering is profit and sales, means the behavior is being analyzed based on these two measures that you have. By default, a K-mean clustering analysis, this is a technique that you learn in statistics, that is being utilized in the backend and it will create clusters, right? So either we can say how many clusters do we want, or we can leave it at automatic. If we left it at automatic, it has created 17 clusters. But why 17 clusters? Hold on. It should not create 17 clusters. That is ridiculous. Let us do it again. Cluster. No, let's say I want 4 clusters, max to max. So now what it has done, it has created 4 clusters. One is this cluster, cluster 2. High profit, high sales. Cluster 1, medium sales, medium profit. Cluster 3, low sales, low profit. And cluster 4, which is medium sales and negative profit. And if I want to use any cluster or work on any cluster at any time, I can select it. Right click and I can, where is it? And you can create a group also of it. Then you can analyze it as a group as well, right? You can make a set out of it and you can analyze it as a set. Or when you select this and let's say, if I say, okay, I want to keep this cluster and I can then convert it into a table to understand which are these. So bookcases, shares, copiers, phones are my absolute winners in terms of subcategory, higher sales and higher. So you can easily identify them.